Hi guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Fat Vines, and hey, we've got an unboxing to do. I'm gonna grab my coffee and we'll get underway. This particular purchase is from, I don't know. I think that this is the Gucci bag, or one of the Gucci bags from eBay. So, let's break into the box and see. I've got quite a few things on the way. And, if this is the first time you're on my channel, hi, I'm Stephanie. I do an unboxing from time to time. I love luxury items. I like to share the experience of unboxing these luxury items. Hit that notification bell down there so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. I unbox them on an impromptu when they come in. That's when I film them. And wow. Okay. This is very nice. It says, to our valued customer, thank you for your business. We appreciate it. Thank you, Hot or Cooler from eBay. Okay. So here is our beautiful Gucci gift bag. Dust bag. So let's pull her on out of the box. Empty box. Toss that out of the way. Very nice thick dust bag. Well, not too thick, but nice dust bag. And for the reveal, oh my goodness, y'all, I'm gonna love this. Oh, this is me in a handbag. It's me in a handbag, it sure is. Nothing in our big dust bag. And they did state on the website that the dust bags are a little discolored. And they are. A little discolored. Fine with me. What I wanted was this piece. And she is in perfect condition. Perfect. The white is still a very true white. Very clean. Very new. Has the tag attached here. You can see that. There. Now bring that up in just a minute. Let's detissue it. And see what we have is very nice big canvas opening there. I assumed that it would. That's our little goodies. unfortunately, this looks like an old sales receipt that has lost its color. And if you get these receipts, you might want to, they're heat stamped, so you might want to get a picture of it to save, because you never know what the ink might disappear, which is obviously what happened on this piece. So, but we do still have the Gucci Care booklet. And the and I'm gonna walk up with these tags, and this is gonna be a really short unboxing. Unfortunately, we've got company, and that's the reason I'm having to do all the unboxings outside. We've got people staying with us, and we've got people around the clock. So, here we go. Okay. And so, yes. And you know I'm thinking ahead. I just got the Gucci black long wallet in the interlocking, with the interlocking G's. Very minimalistic, nice big wallet that'll hold my phone and everything, and it's the perfect size for this bag. The red bag that I have on the way for it to go in as well will also stack inside of this bag, and that'll be a good spring summer set for me. So I always think ahead and where I'm going with things. I was going for the Gucci Mont bag because it's the one everybody has, and that's the reason I didn't get that one. Is because when I finally got the chance to get it at a price that I wanted to get it at, I wanted to get it at about 12. And when one finally came available on Rue La La for $12.99, and I had a $102 credit, that's what I was going for. But when I saw the red top handle crossbody flat bag, honey, with the cream or off-white or whatever enamel double G's, oh yes, yeah, no, she screamed at me. She said no to me, and not to mention no to me was at least a few $100s less, and to me you got more bag for your money. So that's the one that I went with. This has no crossbody straps, there are no D-rings, there are no straps. It's your basic canvas bag. There are two pockets here. And I'm just gonna flip this out so you can see it. It's completely canvas. You see the Gucci there. And usually there's a Gucci number, but this one may not. And I don't doubt this authenticity of this bag whatsoever. And there may be a and it's just a great little summer tote. a little spring tote. You know, it's not anything you really wanna, you can use it as a bag, but I don't think that I would definitely or necessarily use it. Maybe in the summer as grab and go. Use it as a handbag. For me, it'll be more of a spring, summer tote, early fall maybe. But yes, so this is on eBay. I will list the link in the description box below. I told y'all I got Gucci-fied. Don't ask me why. I don't know why there's a swatch of the material, which is awful cool. You know, but yeah, I don't know why. I got a sample of the maybe these were sample bags, who knows, I'm not sure, but hey. If anybody knows why I would have got a swatch of the canvas, please comment in the comment section below, because that's pretty cool. The only thing I can think of is that that it was probably a patches maybe? No, I don't think so. I think that it was probably a made for a show, you know, or display, something like that. And so yeah, guys, we're getting ready for spring and for summer. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wherever you are, I hope that peace and love finds you, and I hope that you have all you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. That helps keeps me going, you know, keeps me motivated. And so yeah, and chat big with me, and in the link below, let me know what you think about the new bag. Let me know what you think about Rulala, if you've ever had a shopping experience with them, and all that good stuff. But I'll see you in the chat below, or I'll see you on the next unboxing, which may be this afternoon, who knows. Hit that notification bell so you'll know.